The next item is part kits. And part kits can be used separately or can be associated with labor codes. Here are some existing part kits that I have created. You can click on New to add a new item with a name, description. Always make sure that it's marked as active. And then after you click OK, always remember to click on the Save button. Once you have created the part kit, you'll need to add the parts by clicking the Add Edit Part Kit Items. Okay, so we'll take, for example, one I've already created. The oil change is selected here. And then I will click the Add Edit Items. And you'll notice that the items that are associated with this part kit is an oil filter and some oil. Let's see how a part kit would work with an invoice. We'll just open a new invoice, and in the parts box section, right click to add a part kit. And then for instance, that oil change example we were going to add, it has now added the oil filter and the oil without me having to make those selections individually. So these little shortcuts are very helpful in EverLogic. That's when you're working with a part kit.